can't get away from it. The promise of stem cells is now reality. The science of the future, found in nature, made available today through patented technology. Scientific developments have established that your own bone marrow stem cells constitute the natural renewal system of your body since the day you were born.
About 13 years ago, I began working with a natural aquatic botanical called Aphanisum inanthus aqua, in short AFA. People consuming AFA reported benefits related to inflammation, the immune system, and an increase in mental clarity, mental energy, and we have since then identified the compounds found in AFA responsible for these benefits. But during those years of scientific research, people were also reporting other benefits that we could not explain with what we knew then about AFA. But what was more interesting and puzzling was the wide variety of the reported benefits. People reported benefits on the skin, the cardiovascular system, liver function, pancreatic function, on the nervous system, the hormonal system, on so many aspects of human physiology that it was difficult to explain how one product could do so many things in the body. How AFA worked in the body remained a mystery for many years, until the discovery in early 2000 that bone marrow stem cells had the ability of becoming virtually any kind of cells in the body. For example, if we put a stem cell in the brain, it becomes a brain cell. If we put it in the liver, it becomes a liver cell. If we put it in the pancreas, it becomes a pancreatic cell, and so on and so forth. We thought that if stem cells have the ability of becoming other types of cells, then it had to be a natural process with a purpose. So we proposed that stem cells constituted the natural renewal system of the body, and we published this view in the journal Medical Hypotheses. It is now well accepted that indeed stem cells do constitute the natural renewal system of the body.
Whenever a tissue or organ is subjected to stress, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the incident, the affected tissue releases specific messengers that travel through the blood to the bone marrow. When they get there, they induce cellular division. In this process, anytime one stem cell is released into the blood circulation, a sister cell remains in the bone marrow, maintaining a constant population of stem cells in the bone marrow. Slowly, the number of stem cells increases in the blood. Soon after, the tissue in need releases different messengers that attract those stem cells. When they circulate in the affected tissue and encounter these messengers, they stop in the blood flow and migrate out of the blood. Once in the tissue, the stem cells travel to the site of damage. Once there, the stem cells begin to multiply in order to amplify the process of renewal, to finally become functional cells of that tissue. Every stem cell has the potential of becoming a few thousand specific tissue cells. It is through this natural process of renewal that your body maintains optimal health.
Consuming AFA led to an increase in the number of circulating cells. And since many studies have shown that optimal health is related to a higher number of circulating stem cells, there is no better way to maintain optimal health than the body's own natural renewal system.
In a double-blind, placebo-controlled crossover study, in that study, 1 gram 2 capsules supported the natural release of stem cells, increasing the number of circulating stem cells by 25%. This is the equivalent of about 3 to 4 million new stem cells in the blood. This study was published in a peer-reviewed publication called the Journal of Cardiovascular Revascularization Medicine in September 2007. This is something your body does naturally anyway, and yet it can dramatically improve your health.